You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, one of the principal deities of Hinduism. If you want to learn more confusing names from Hindu and Hinduism in particular, stay tuned. Let's break down the pronunciation. Shiva. It's a short E sound, okay? Not a very long one. It's not Shiva, just Shiva. In India, the A is generally more an open A sound. In English, sometimes it's pronounced as Shiva or Shiva, Shiva. Did you get this? Now you know, let me know in the comments. Shiva. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.